Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode does not really matter because we will simply enter the general settings, but I wanted to draw your attention to this special type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now let's simply tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. As you can see, we just got back to the camera automatically and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.